Claude's Pro plan costs $20 a month. I spent 2 weeks finding every legitimate way to skip that bill entirely. Some of these methods give you Claude Opus 4.8, their most powerful model, at zero cost. So let me show you each and every one. The first and most obvious way to use Claude for free is through its official plan. You get a limited number of messages, and once you hit the limit, Claude asks you to wait until your limit resets. The limit reset usually happened every 5 hours. However, a few long conversations were enough to hit the limit. That's why you needed a backup option. The second platform is ATXP Chat. As soon as I created an account, it gave me a $3 in a bonus. Those $3 unlock access to almost every major AI model on the platform. What surprised me was that it even included Claude Opus 4.8. Now, eventually, that 3 credit will run out, but I'm pretty sure you already know the solution. The next platform is Arena AI, and most people already know about it. Here you can chat with different AI models directly or put 2 models side by side and compare how they respond to the same prompt. And honestly, that side-by-side feature is the main reason people use it. But while I was testing it, I ran into something important. LM Arena recently removed some of the top models from both direct chat and side-by-side comparisons. Well, if you use Brave browser, Claude is one tap away without opening any new website. Just tap the sidebar option inside the browser. You will see a list of AI models already available. Pick Claude from the list, type your question, and it responds instantly. You don't need an account, you don't need credits, and you don't need to wait. Just open the sidebar and start. The next platform is NodeGPT. There are many AI tools available on it, but it also gives you access to Claude. Open the website, tap on AI Chat, then select Claude. From the drop-down menu, choose the Claude model you want to use. Now here is the catch. NodeGPT does not give you unlimited access. You get a limited number of free and premium trial credits, so spend them on tasks that actually need depth. One feature that stood out during my testing was deep thinking mode. If you need more detailed responses for research, coding, or problem solving, it is worth trying. So while NodeGPT is not the platform I would use for unlimited Claude access, it does give you a chance to test premium features without paying. And if you have a student email address, you get 1 month of premium access for free. So far, we've looked at websites, but what if you don't want to open another website at all? There is a Telegram bot that gives you access to multiple AI models, including some of the latest Claude versions, and it works entirely inside Telegram. It also shows your usage stats inside the chat, so you always know how much usage you have left. If you already spend most of your day inside Telegram, this is the most convenient option on this entire list. I have lost count of how many platforms we have covered so far. If you have found even one method here that you did not know before, hit subscribe. 2 more platforms worth mentioning are Po and DeepSider. Both give you free credits when you sign up, but honestly, those credits are not enough to properly test the platform. But unlike these platforms, Duck AI does not use a credit system. You can start chatting right away without worrying about how many credits you have left. That said, it is not completely unlimited. Free users still have a daily usage limit. What I really like about Duck AI is the control it gives you over your responses. You can adjust the tone, assign a role to the AI, define your own role, and customize several other settings. Most people will probably ignore these options. But if you are someone who likes to fine-tune how the AI responds, you will get a lot more value out of Duck AI than anything we have covered so far. And here's something interesting. DuckDuckGo doesn't just offer AI tools, they also have their own email service. I actually covered it in a previous video and showed how it works in detail. So if you're interested in privacy-focused tools, be sure to watch that video after this one. The next option is Kiro, and they are giving away their Pro subscription for free. To grab it, sign into your account and go to Account Settings. Select the Kiro Pro plan and tap the Upgrade button. You will need to add a payment method to activate it, but you will not be charged upfront. Once you are in, you get access to many AI models, including Claude. The next platform is GitLab. Most people know GitLab as a developer platform, but they're also giving users access to some top-tier AI models through a free trial. All you need to do is create an account, and you'll be able to test models that would normally require a paid subscription elsewhere. What caught my attention was that Claude Opus 4.8 was available during my testing, which made this one of the more interesting options on the list. The next option is Notion AI. To try it, click on Get Notion Free and create an account. After that, you can start using Notion AI. And during my testing, I was able to access Claude Opus 4.8. You can also access Claude on your mobile device. For this, I tested an app called Vanish AI, which is built by Startpage. You can download it from the Play Store and set it up in a few minutes. This app offers a 7-day free trial. To activate it, you need to set up autopay, and a small verification charge gets applied, but that charge is refundable. Once setup is complete, you get access to multiple AI models inside the app. You can simply open the model drop-down, select Claude, and start chatting. Just make sure you pay attention to the subscription settings. If you don't want to continue after the trial, cancel autopay before the renewal date so you don't get charged. I have shared even more methods inside my private group that I did not cover here. If you want access, join the channel membership and send your username on Telegram. If you have been counting how many platforms I shared in this video, drop the number in the comments. I'm curious to know. And make sure you include anything AI in your count as well. It gives you access to newer Claude models along with several other AI tools. I also made a separate video showing how to get around 60,000 anything AI credits for free. If you have not watched that one yet, go check it out after this.